Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate, practice in District Court as well as in Supreme Court. Today we'll discuss about will, how to prepare will, what are the condition, how formalities are will, and if it is go to Supreme Court, how the Supreme Court and other courts react, whether how the will should be valid or what are the contents of the will to be taken care of. So when the parents are coming in the stage of senior citizen, they always decided that they will make the will, because after that they think that after their death their kids should not face any kind of problem, neither financially nor socially or unnecessary. They should be safe from the litigation, unnecessary amount and wasting time into the court. And if they go to the concerned advocate court, the advocate also suggests them that they should go for regular will, and sometimes they also suggest that it should be registered properly. Once it's registered, then it will become pakka will, and after that there will be no side effect from any side, or court also willing accept the registered will. But it is not so. Thus, in one registered will, Supreme Court has given different verdict, different statement, and cancelled the will on the some of the grounds. There was a matter of between two sisters who were fighting over will, and the matter came in the Supreme Court in the case of Meera Pradhan versus Kamla Pradhan, where both the sisters were fighting, and Supreme Court stated that whether while making the will, profound of the will was present or not. Will was made in presence of the profound, whether person who is making will, he was present or not there, and signature of the witness were signed in the presence of the testator who make the will. They have given proper signature, and signature were made without any burden and both, and while giving signature their IDs and other formalities also be done. And whether witnesses sign the testator who's making the will, signing him properly on the will, and the will is made, whether is where the ID proof and other relevant document of the witnesses, once they have to come to the court, that has also be proven that they are the actual witnesses or not. So testator has to sign the witness and the proof, and after that the witness, 2 or 3 witnesses are required, and they have to sign on the will document without any burden and force, and they have to see the while signing that the executor who make the execution, and again the testator, the person who making the will, his signature, original signature was there, his mental state was good, he's signing properly, he's not shaking, he is distributing the property without any burden and force, equal distribution of the property. So many things if they see in the presence of all the witnesses, then after that once it go to the court, it will be very easy for the court also to decide whether the witnesses is actual or not. Again, when witness come in the court, then meaning of the execution, that should be executive. Executive means execution of the will, means that calling witnesses, make tester is coming, he is signing in presence of the witness. Witnesses are coming, they are signing in their one by one, all the witnesses signing, and there is a video conference also, video recording also, photographs are properly taken while execute the will. That is called execution, and then court will observe this, that after that there is no other will has been made. This was the last will, and will was made. When the will was made, the person who made the will, he was in a proper sense, his mental level state was good, and his signature was not shaking, his signature was not light, and the witnesses were present, they have signed, they have seen the testator, person who make the will properly. And if they come to the court, like one witness is being summoned in the court for checking that will is actual or not. Once the witness said that he saw the person who made the will and signing in front of him, and the other witnesses also sign in front of him, sometimes the court also give the liberty that other witness should not be called, and the will is perfect. So these are the basic ground while making the will. But sometimes if the will is not proper and have to challenge according to Indian Evidence Section 3 of Evidence Act, then Then so many questions are arise while making the will. Will was made properly. It was mental state of the person who made the will. His signature was properly, not light, not shaking. Witness were present. Witness sign in presence of the will. Witnesses sign in the presence of the who made the will, and other witnesses who have signed, their ID proof are there, their mobile number are there, and the witnesses who give the witnesses on the will, they have made the will without any burden and force. No other force was given to them, no other threatening given to them, and the parents who making the wills has made the will without any burden and force. They have not forced by their family member to make the will. There are certain, these are the ground while making the will, which I say if it is proper and court find that all the relevant points which should be required in while making the will is perfect, then he order the property should be distributed properly. But if there is a suspicious word come, where the doubt would come while making the will, when the witnesses, one of the witness said that he was forced to sign on the will paper, then the doubt come in the court that why he is saying so, there is certain reason. Then he tell the person who made the will, making the will, that a suspicious word or that has to be proved as per Indian Evidence Act, that this will is proper, not made unnecessary without any tension and harassment or any burden and force, and the contents of the will are proper and signed properly. Executor person who make the will and who prepared the will, he was also present, and the witness was also present. Their proper evidence was taken, which he proved that even the video recording is there while making the will, that has to be shown in the concerned court, and the court will observe that everything was going properly, and the photographs mentioned in the will are proper and true to the correct best of their knowledge and belief. Then court order that this property should be distributed among all the kids without any delay. So that is a right way of making the will. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you have any doubt and queries related to will, you can always free to talk to me. My number is 9818277131. Thank you so much. Regards.